What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I want to sincerely welcome you. This is where I share my love of the guitar by teaching skills, songs, techniques, and just giving general encouragement and telling you guys a few stories from time to time. But grab a guitar and let's jump into this song. We're going to learn This Magic Moment by the Drifters. So the first time I heard this song was from the movie soundtrack, The Sandlot. So The Sandlot, if you haven't seen it, it's kind of a cult classic 90s movie. Some people hate it because there's like commentary throughout it. I absolutely love this movie. But this song comes on at kind of a pivotal moment in the like heart of summer in a scene, and it just kind of so nostalgic to me, and it makes you kind of feel just good, and we want to feel good. So let's learn this song. It's in standard tuning, all open chords. There's only 2 sections. We're going to use the same strumming pattern for the entire thing, and we're just going to have a summer song that's kind of a Motown, not kind of, it is a Motown throwback, and it's just a good song. So let's learn some good songs, and let's start with this one today. Before we get started, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps support my channel. And if you're interested in a free strumming pattern course, there'll be a link below for that course. And if you're just getting started on guitar and you're trying to get into just being able to figure out any of this stuff, I have a course called Beginner Guitar Essentials that will get you from not playing at all to being able to play songs in less than 2 or 3 weeks. All right. So check out that class as well. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so as you can see, it's not terribly difficult, and it's just a classic. So let's do this thing here. You've got a C major chord. You've got an A minor chord. You got an F. I'm doing the open version, which kind of makes it an F major 7. Not kind of, it does. You got 5th string down. If you want to do the bar chord, you got to put your index. You do the same fingering. You put your index over all 6. All right, and then you have got a G major chord. And that is all the chords in this song. All right, so the strumming pattern, let's talk about it. We'll just grab a C chord and you can try it with me. So it's one that you've done probably before, and if not, it's a great one that you need to have in your repertoire of strumming patterns because they all build off of this specific one, most likely. So let's talk about the strumming pattern, all right? It's pretty simple. You've probably done it before. We're going to keep it the same throughout, okay? And it's one that if you haven't learned, you really need to because most other strumming patterns are kind of building off of this one. So this is a kind of like a must-know strumming pattern, all right? So it's grab a C chord, and it's going to go down, down, up, miss, up, down, 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 up, miss, up, down, up. That's the pattern. If you have trouble with it, you need to go a little slower in the right hand. You can go down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. All right, and you want to get that on one chord before you apply it to the rest of the song. So the intro of the song is the same as the verse, and it's literally just your classic Motown chord progression in the key of C, C major, A minor, F major, G major. If you know your numbers, it's 1, 6, 4, 5. If you don't know them, don't worry about it. Just worry about the chord name itself. We'll talk about the number system in another lesson. So you got C major, A minor, F major, and G major. So now for the verse, really simple. You got down, down, up, miss, or the intro, sorry. So let's start with the intro. Same as the verse. So let's not panic. So C major, do it twice, A minor, that one's twice, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, G. You're doing the progression or the strumming pattern twice on each chord. All right, so for the verse, you do that whole cycle 2 times. All right, so the verse is C, A minor, and so new, it's like any other, till I kissed you. spoken word. Too early to sing. Happened, C. Too early right now anyways. A minor. F. Felt it too. G. Look in your eyes. And I like to stop there when I do that. I stop that right there. I think they do that in the song too. I just use the palm of my hand to like mute all the notes really quick. And then when you go to the chorus, sweeter than wine. Now this is where, because the chords are the same for most of the song, you need to really watch your dynamics. Dynamics are what make music interesting to listen to, because you have loud parts and soft parts, and then in the middle parts. There's a whole lot of different types of dynamics when it comes to music. But without dynamics, we're really leaving a huge chunk of what can really be great about music out, right? We don't want to. The worst thing you can hear is like, and you've probably heard it, somebody just slamming away on the chords on an acoustic guitar the whole time, same volume. That's literally like kind of a turn off musically, right? So we want, and I want to teach you guys how to play the way like great musicians play, and dynamics is a key part of that. So when you go to the chorus, you got an A minor and you're going to strum softer. It's a lighter in the right hand, or left if your picking hand is your left. So sweeter than wine, come down. Softer than the summer sun. Even says softer, so you should play soft. Everything I want I have. You're doing it twice on each chord. Ever I hold you tight, G. And then you can stop it again if you want. And then this magic moment. And then you're into the full, a little louder. But that is literally it. That is the entire song. So I'll go back to that sweeter than wine thing. Softer than the summer night. See everything I want I have. Ever I hold you tight. This magic moment. While your lips are close to mine, will last forever. Till the end of time. So, and that is literally how you play the song. So I'll go back to that sweeter than wine part real quick, and I'll give you a couple tips on how to go from A minor to F. So you got sweeter than wine, softer than the, and I keep my index down because it's already on the right note, and then I get the other notes for F. And then I go to C, but my index and third finger, these two, are already in the right spot, so I just pick up my pinky, move my middle finger up. And when I go to G, I just have to jump. Just like that. All right? That is how you play this song. I'll give you a full playthrough. Here you go. This magic moment. Hope that helps. Come back next week. I got more songs for you. And check out my shorts, because I have a bunch of those that I post. Not the shorts I'm wearing. The shorts that I post on YouTube, you know, because they're trying to be like TikTok. Check them out.